So how can you change the Safari to be in a light mode on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So Safari will be in the light or dark mode based on your general settings for that, right? So when you go to the control center, you can see that after holding down on the brightness controller, you have the ability to enable the dark mode, right? So you choose between the light or a dark mode. And these settings are also applied to your browser, like to Safari, right? So whatever you set up in here will also reflect inside of the app, right? So if you choose the dark mode in here, your browsing experience will also be darker, right? So that's how it works, like the backgrounds and all of the text will be kind of looking darker to match the appearance. Of course, you can change the scheduling and other options of that. If you go to settings, display and brightness, and literally at the top you have the light or dark mode. And you can also choose the automatic mode and choose the scheduling options and everything, right? So if you want to manage it this way, you can find it directly in the settings. However, if we want to get a little bit more professional with it, you can also check out the App Store and look up an app which is called Noir, right? Noir, which is an app for a dark mode in a Safari, right? So it comes with the extension for a Safari browser, and it lets you turn the dark mode to every website that you go into, right? So that's pretty useful in case you want to control it a little bit more, or just have a different angle of applying the dark and light mode in the Safari web browser. So I hopefully managed to answer all of the questions or things. I try to be as extensive as I can. If I missed something, let me know about that. It's possible I'll make an updated video, but for that, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.